Good morning and Jai Hind students. This time I have taken the poem How to Tell Wild Animals. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken this poem from the book Beehive. So here you can see wild animals like lion here and a bear and giraffe and elephant. So many wild animals are here. So talking about this poem, this is a humorous poem and suggesting some dangerous ways to identify wild animals. So you will come to know about how to identify the wild animals in a very humorous way. Okay, so let's start. If ever you should go by chance to jungle in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. So here tawny. So tawny means orange brown, yellowish brown, means this is the color of this animal. So the poet is saying, she is saying, if you are going in a jungle and if any animal that is orange brown color or yellowish brown color and it is moving towards you and it roars loudly as you are feared, it roars so loudly as you think you are about to die, and at the sudden moment you are sure that it is only Asian lion, means you are meeting this majestic animal that is Asian lion. So पोएट कहती हैं कि अगर आप एक जंगल में जा रहे हैं और आप एक ब्राउनिश और एक येलोइश ब्राउन कलर या ऑरेंज ब्राउन कलर जो इसका कलर होता है वो आपकी तरफ आ रहा है और ये इतनी ज़ोर से रोर करता है, इतनी ज़ोर से गुर्राता है कि जैसे लगता है आपकी जान निकल जाएगी, तो ये इसका मतलब है कि आप एशियन लायन से मिल रहे हैं. दिस इज़ वेरी ह्यूमरस वे टू फाइंड आउट दिस एशियन लायन. कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट. और इफ सम टाइम यू when roaming round a noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on a yellow ground, just notice if he eats you. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. It means if you are roaming here and there, you are roaming, आप कहीं मूव कर रहे हैं, आप कहीं घूम टहल रहे हैं, आप roaming कर रहे हैं, this noble beast like this. So this noble beast can greet you, can welcome you, can greet you by its noise. Maybe it can meet you, and its skin is yellow black, means black stripes on yellow background. आपको पता है कि येलो ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड पर ही ये ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स होती हैं. सो यहाँ पे यही है, ब्लैक स्ट्राइप्स हैं येलो बैकग्राउंड पर. सो इट इज़ इट्स स्किन, यू आर वेल अवेयर. और आपको अगर ऐसा लगता है कि it will eat you very soon, you are in danger. At that sudden moment you have come to know that this is no one else, only and only Bengal tiger. So this simple rule का मतलब, when you think that this can eat you, at the sudden moment you have come to know that this is the Bengal tiger. Now next is, if strolling forth a beast you view whose height with spots is peppered, as soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. It will do no good to roar with pain, he will only leap and leap again. Here peppered means skin with spots. So here you can observe, you can see having series of small objects or having spots on any background. So here on its skin you can see many spots are here. So the poet is saying that if walking ahead, means fourth means ahead, if you see, view means see, if you see a beast whose height means whose skin is spotting and whose skin is full of spots, then you can and as it, if it leaps on you, if it jumps on you, अगर ये आपके ऊपर उछलता है, जंप करता है, आपको पता होना चाहिए, you have come to know, you will come to know very soon that this is no one else, only and only leopard. So it will do no good to roar with pain, means there is no use to cry, to roar with pain, because it will jump and jump again and again. It will continue its jumping. So this is also very dangerous for you, and when it jumps again and again upon you, you should be very sure that it is only and only leopard. So next is when now you will come to know about the bear. If you are walking around your yard, means in your garden, if you are walking there, you will meet a creature there who hugs you very, very hard. Means it is a special thing in bears that they can hug you very hard, tightly. So be sure it is a bear. If you have any doubt, I guess he will give you just one more cares. So here it will hug you again and again, and this hugging will be very, very tight. So आपको इतनी जोर से हगिंग करता है, इतनी जोर से आपको गले लगाता है, या आप कह सकते हो हगिंग करता है विद लव. सो you should be very sure that it is no one else, only and only bear. So यहाँ पे cares का मतलब होता है to touch with love. Next is here, though to distinguish beast of prey, a novice might nonplus the crocodile you always may tell from the hyena. Thus hyenas come very with merry smiles, but if they weep, they are crocodiles. So this is hyena and this is crocodile. So here, if someone is there who is unaware, the पोएट कहती हैं कि अगर कोई है अननोन पर्सन है और उसको इन दोनों जानवरों के बारे में डिफरेंस नहीं पता है, तो वो कंफ्यूज हो सकता है. बट आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, आपको डोंट गेट कंफ्यूजन. देयर इज सिंगल डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ क्रोकोडाइल एंड अ हाइना, दैट the crocodile you always may tell from the hyena. Thus hyenas come with merry smiles. Hyenas they come with smiling, but crocodiles they always weep. तो इस तरह से कि क्रोकोडाइल जो है वो आंसू गिराते रहते हैं और हाइनास जो है वो स्माइलिंग करते रहते हैं. दिस इज द सिंगल डिफरेंस दैट यू कैन नो हु इज हाइना एंड हु इज क्रोकोडाइल. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो only thing that you can identify. So hyenas smile, but crocodiles they cry. So the true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of thing. He has not any ears at all and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, it is the chameleon you see. So यहाँ पे the poet is saying कि आप lizard की तरह से एक और भी जानवर देख सकते हैं. पेड़ों पर कैमेलियन है, वो lizard टाइप का होता है. इसके ना तो कान होते हैं, ही डजंट हैव ईयर्स, ही डजंट हैव एनी विंग, मतलब पंख नहीं होते हैं, कान भी नहीं होते हैं. बट इट चेंजेस इट्स कलर अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स सराउंडिंग. सो ओनली वन थिंग दैट यू कैन नो दैट इट इज ओनली एंड ओनली कैमेलियन. सो हेयर वी विल कम टू डिस्कस राइमिंग स्कीम. सी हेयर, चांस, ईस्ट, एडवांस, बीस्ट, डाइंग, लॉइन. सो हेयर चांस, एडवांस. सो यहाँ पे होगा ए बी अगेन ए बी अगेन डाइन लाइन ए. सो इट विल बी ए बी ए बिकॉज ए बी सी सी. वी विल हेयर ए बी एंड हेयर सी सी. और हेयर राउंड यू, ग्राउंड यू, ए बी and learn this one CC. So A B and CC. This is the rhyming scheme. And here poetic devices are here, means figures of speech. If we come to know here, he has, ha sound has been repeated, and here lip repetition is here, and poetic license. तो poetic license क्या होता है? Because poets are free, they have got freedom to change the spelling. सो यहाँ पे लेफ्ट की स्पेलिंग पोएट ने चेंज की है एंड इट इज लेफ्ट, सो यहाँ पे पोएटिक लाइसेंस. अगेन when walking, here is alliteration. Next is here beware, again it is alliteration. और यहाँ पे देखिए जहाँ पर ओ साउंड बार बार रिपीट होता है वहाँ पे एसोनेंस होता है. सो लाइक वॉकिंग राउंड एंड योर यार्ड, सो ओ साउंड हैज बीन रिपीटेड. सी हियर in line 5, do, no, good, roar, o sound has been repeated. Here again soon means o sound has been repeated. O, u, o. So it is here assonance. Thank you and Jai Hind students. I am sure you have understood this chapter very well. This is a very humorous poem to identify these wild animals. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.